an amazing week. Today I am going to cook another traditional recipe from Northeast India. Pork khar with cabbage. The dish is quite popular and traditionally consumed in late winters. The recipe is really easy to cook and comforting that complements perfectly with steamed rice. For this dish, we need pork, cabbage, ginger, salt, green chillies and khar. Now let's start cooking. First of all, we are going to hand tear the cabbage instead of chopping with a knife. I must say it was always a fun thing to do as a kid when we were hardly allowed to enter the kitchen. Remove all the tough ribs. Next, heat the pan, add the pork, cabbage, slit green chillies, ginger, khar and salt. Stir it well. Cover and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes on a low flame. Occasionally stir in between. Once the water from the dish is almost dry, stir it well. Then add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Cover and cook it for another 10 minutes on a medium flame. Stir it well and open cook it until your desired consistency is achieved. Mine looks ready and it's time to try it. Here is the dish. The meat is tender and the heat from the green chilies tingles in your mouth. However, the sweetness from the cabbage makes it a perfect blend. If this is your first time visiting my channel, also do check out my other videos, and if you enjoyed watching this recipe video, then please do give it a big thumbs up.